Our king keeps on moving. 16 is an existential week. Calculus and chemistry, homework piled up on my plate. Gotta ace the test, gotta be the best, gotta keep the GPA high. But the pressure gauge is bursting every time I try. I'm living life on a rough draft, but compared to the online perfect score, trying to hold it together, losing all control. I'm smiling through the filter, borrowed shine that isn't me. Scrolling through the perfect lives, pretending that I'm free. It's a costume, it's a curtain, hiding what I feel inside. Praying someone sees me before I learn to truly hide. I'm a tightrope walker, balancing the noise. School bells scream flashes and all the judging voices, fighting for a minute of quiet in the chaos, caught between who I am and the perfect version that the world demands of us. This facade is not built to last, but I can't stop the fall. There's a longing for the quiet and the noise of it all. If I step off this wire, would the ground be safe or sharp? If I stop trying to be perfect, would I finally see the start of something real and broken, something true and not alone? A house that's built for feeling, not a monument.